So I'm here in the family storage room. It's basically my sister's old room that ended up having more space, but I've hooked up uh, one of my old bikes. And over here on the back, I have a little electric generator that's attached to the wheel. And so what that is going to do is it's hooked up electrically through these little wires going along the bike up to this light right here at the top. And you can actually buy these on Amazon, at the store, at Walmart. You probably could pick one up. But anyways, I'm just going to turn off the lights so you can see what happens when you pedal the wheel. The wheel gets turned. As it does, it moves the little generator, and it has this little piece right here that will rotate with the grip of the wheel. It turns the magnet inside the generator, and that will turn on the light.